you, Professor. Hello guys, I'm Jiao and I'm from the technical department of UMP Enterprise, and this is my team. Let me introduce you, Effie, Diru, and Aiza. So we have a great news to tell you guys that our company is expanding a new branch in Pekan area. So that is why we are assigned to evaluate the available options of machine in the market for the new branch. Yeah. So this presentation is to show the findings of the report, and after doing the research, we have come to a conclusion that the CNC Master Supra vertical mill and the JTM 4VS vertical mill are the best alternative we have in the market. And in the end of this report, we will determine which one of the machines will be better in the aspect of cost, productivity, safety, and flexibility. So we'll proceed to the cost.
Alright, my name is Effie and I'm going to present about the cost. Now we have researched and we found out that the cost for Jet and Supra is 35,000 and 42,000 respectively. Now both of them are subjected to a discount of 25% and 15% respectively on a bulk purchase of 10 units. The Jet comes with a free shipping anywhere in the world, no matter how many quantity we buy. Meanwhile, the Supra is subjected to a 1,200 and 2,100 shipping fee to the nearest seaport available. For the maintenance fee, the Supra is ranging from 1,900 for yearly maintenance for each unit, and the Jet will cost about 700 to 800 ringgit Malaysia yearly. Now, as we can see, the retail price of the Supra is higher than the Jet, but after including the discounts for bulk purchase, the Supra will cost about 315,000 per 10 unit, and the Jet will cost about 305 for 10 units. So the difference is not that significant. So now moving on to the expenditure. The productivity. There's a standard production rate that must be adhered by both machines, which is 20 units of general parts per hour and 5 units of specific parts per hour. Right. The CNC Supra vertical milling machine, it is more suitable for mass production due to its ability to continuously operate for long hours. It only needs to be programmed and calibrated before manufacturing one product, and it can be left from minimal to medium supervision by the technical staff. The technical staff can monitor it through CNC network that is connecting all the machines. Meanwhile, the Jet vertical mill, it is more specifically for specific parts because it is a manually operated machine that requires the skillful hand of technicians to operate. It can only produce small amounts of parts, but it can produce more intricate parts. The Jet also it can be calibrated and changed faster than the CNC, as it have a variety of tools and tool parts to be replaced. So as we can see here, the CNC Supra is favorable for general mass production, but the Jet vertical mill is favorable for specific parts production. Right, now I'm going to pass my presentation to Tim.
Okay, hello everyone. So, you have heard about the cost and the productivity. So now I'm gonna explain to you about the the physical properties and the safety features. So from here you can see that Supra and GTM both are very unique and different. For Supra, we have software updates. How we update is by using upgrading software. You insert the CD and you can upgrade the software. But for Jet, you need to change the hardware. You need to change the hardware. From here, we can see that if you update the software, you have the fear of a virus attacking. Means after a virus attack, your whole computer can shut down. But even though that, software CNC Supra is better since it's a full automated. From the second part, we can see that Supra has a automated coolant system. That means as it drills, it will supply coolant. But for Jet, you have to supply the coolant manually. That means you need to pay attention for while the jet is drilling. When we see for the third part, which is there's a design, actually it's not the design, it's how the visual of the products output. For Supra, you can see the product output before it has been produced. That means you can design it in the computer program, then you can already see how it's going to be produced. But for Jet, you can only see it after it's been produced. It means after the drillings and everything, then you can see the output. That means any damage to it, that means you need to repeat from the first time. Now, if you see from the fourth rows, you can see that CNC Supra uses a single phase system. A single phase system, that means it is just a normal like a plug. You can just plug it anywhere and it can be used. That means it can be is pretty mobile. You can place it anywhere. But for Jet, it is a three phase. That means you need to fix it somewhere and you need to supply the wiring system so that the power can be transferred to the jet. And for Supra, if you see the fifth row is about the safety, where if anything happen to the machine, if there are any short circuits or anything, the MCB, the miniature circuit breaker, which trigger and cut off the entire supply of the machine so that it will save the machine. But unfortunately, we don't have for Jet. And for the last part is you can see that CNC Supra have extraction unit. They have a few extraction unit and its parts. They will extract all those dust particles and everything and protect the user, so that whenever milling is happen, the user won't be affected by the dust particles. But for JTM, even though it has, but it's limited. That means the user need to be carefully plan when the extraction need to be used and when it's supposed to be placed, so that it will not affect the user. That's conclude about my safety and physical properties of that. So we can see that here is obviously that CNC Supra is better. And here I pass to my friend Isaac.
Okay, thanks Tiro. So you already heard about three first features. Then I will gonna explain about the flexibility, then I will explain the last feature, which is flexibility between these two machines. So I will explain the body compartment, axis, and the operating type. First is the body compartment. For JTM machine, it equipped with an array of different types, producing like parts, while CNC Supra machine equipped with two types of spindle. There are two types of spindle, that is 2 horsepower and 3 horsepower. By using this horsepower, we can save the cost, because without having changed the belt and also the program. So next is the axis. So for the JTM machine, there has 3 axis operation, and CNC Supra machine has 4 axis operation. Means that the axis can shape the product through 4 or 3 different angles. Then last point is the operating type. For the operating type, JTM machine is fully operated manual for specialized part making. But CNC Supra machine is fitted with CNC for higher precision. As I said before, they have two types of spindles. So when the machine has spindle, they can work under different operation speed. Okay. That's all for future flexibility. Then as we are a new branch rising in the region, it is essential for us to find the focus and meet in demand in the market. After research had been done, we can conclude that both machines are needed. CNC is better in terms of flexibility and safety, but still on par with JTM machine in terms of cost and productivity. So my team would recommend our company with sufficient budget, we should purchase CNC Supra machine because in large quantity compared to JTM machine, because it can generate multiple income change for revenue. That's all from our group. Thanks for listening.